cabinets are most often considered for the kitchen. Of course, they provide ample storage for dishes, cookware, utensils, and food. But cabinets don't have to be confined to simply kitchens. Their versatility can span the entire home. Schrock Cabinets can accommodate any room, size, style, and budget. In a bathroom, vanities can be transformed into a fashionable yet functional furniture piece, allowing daily necessities to be hidden from view while being easily accessible. Surrounding storage can hold other items from bath oils to towels. Move to a dining room where table settings can be out of sight while glassware can be put on display. In an entry or mudroom, jackets can be hung with hats and gloves tucked away. For laundry rooms, storage solutions can be used for cleaning products, ironing boards, clothing baskets, and more. Consider other rooms that weren't mentioned and imagine what's possible in them. Next is size. Rooms range in measurement from small to large, but cabinet options abound. Whether the space calls for storage that's tall or wide, needs to fit in a corner, provide creative organization, or any of a multitude of other challenges, there's a choice that fits. You'll find cabinetry that offers a place for everything and puts everything in its place. Style preferences differ, potentially within the same house. Cabinets can complement the design of any space or even define it. Whether the goal is to create a look that's transitional, modern farmhouse, traditional, contemporary, or a variety of other possibilities, you'll discover cabinets that suit, offering an assortment of styles, colors, and textures. The last is budget, which has a tendency to vary from project to project. The good news is Schrock Cabinets balance fashionable looks with affordable pricing. They provide an avenue for attaining timeless or trendy environments without breaking the bank. The in-house kitchen and bath designers at ProSource Wholesale can make sense of what may seem like endless options. Lean on their product guidance and expert designs to produce unique spaces that blend beauty and function. Whether you're adding or remodeling cabinetry in a kitchen, bathroom, dining room, family room, ProSource is the source for project success. In any room, of any size, creating any style for any budget, cabinets add elegance and organization. And when you opt for Schrock Cabinets at ProSource Wholesale, you've made the perfect choice.